Why do cookies always have to be flat? Let's turn them into cups and fill them with chocolate lava. Grab your favorite cookie dough and press it into a muffin tin, making little cups. Now comes the magic. Drop in a spoonful of chocolate ganache or Nutella right in the center. Pop them in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes. When they're golden and just baked, pull them out and serve warm. Top with a scoop of ice cream if you're feeling extra fancy. The outside is crispy, the middle is melty, pure chocolate lava flow. Dessert, upgraded,